Just in time. Me just in time I catch a garbage truck. Me just in time I catch a garbage truck and left. You know see it? But I want to start them with it. Yeah man, say garbage truck I work there. You know see it? A park for me there, you know. Park for me there. The garbage truck will stop right there, you know. Then stop right there so. And take up the garbage there so. You know see it? I go pause this now. I go pause this now because they say no. And take up the garbage there so. And then we up on the road so now. I take up garbage. See there? See them there? I take up garbage same way. Yeah man, so I go pause it. And do my work so now, yeah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, I may start back the video yes so now. Because for my content, yeah man, good morning, good morning. Yeah man to all my viewers on the voice of Bed Miller. Now put it on the KFC bucket. Yeah. Now start it on the KFC bucket. I mean not talk long, you know. I not talk long. So I start it on the KFC bucket. All the KFC sitting with them give it down here. Wednesday. A Wednesday, you know. Wednesday. When I name KFC and you see that and look on the place same way. Eh? We full of garbage same way. You know see the park, the playground, full of garbage same way. On the come on Wednesday, you know MP go no KFC for name. You know see it? And the place them couldn't send some workers off of the road. They come clean up park. Park full of garbage same way. And on Wednesday sports day gone, you know. This is going to clean again until when time school open back. So the pampers them there same way. You know see it? Yes. Yeah. And people go and say why? When I say I come back, I'm going to do no work again, you know. Because I try my best. Because it's a place, yeah. Just a matter of time. The morning ball, they must have done play them ball games, so they're gone. Just a matter of time before it bush up again. But them garbage I mean chat about. The garbage truck pass us so. And imagine none of them couldn't come inside us, they couldn't make them know. And then come inside us so come collect my garbage. They're on the playground. Eh? I want me say you what you're doing so much. Want me say you what you're doing no. Them are treat him ground so. In people, it's the first playground of Falmouth, you know. Our parish council response for it, you know. Because every land there so are them own. Our parish council response for the playground. Same way. Imagine sports day gone from Wednesday to Auntie George. When no feast, no name, no KFC. Yeah man. Where the MP go no. See the KFC bucket ya. What KFC no name down Wednesday. And look on the garbage down the same way. Eh? And when man chat about it, on no vex. Yeah. Pay garbage. Just so now clean again until when time go when school open back. But that shouldn't be park, shouldn't be a playground. But during school time and out of school time, park shouldn't prepare. Keep clean. Yeah man, so kids can come out, come learn. So parents can carry son and daughter, come teach them football. Yes, Iyah, come teach them football. Proper grass in there so. Nice soft grass. Like what they on State Sports Complex. So Sunday evening and so forth, the parents can carry son and daughter come down so. Come teach him football, because no football can't play by yourself on the levels, you know. No football can't play because pay Mac and pay, yeah man. Yeah. So me not talk, this is not pass more than 5 minutes, can I stick to the point. Look on the garbage. What there? The garbage truck just passed us a while ago. And the garbage man, your team are coming so going to take up them. They're not coming inside there so going to take up them. You know see it? They're not coming inside there. Going to take up them filter and them garbage. You know see it? Pan park. Pan you are your park playground. You are your park. The first playground. In a Trelawney. I just nip school start them sports there. Keep them sports until they go to center. And look on park. Look on the KFC. Amount of KFC on the name of Wednesday. You know see, that's all I do want to know. Food. They just buying out with food and go no money. That's all I want at Jamaica. Pay food and money no want. On no live in a mess. Pay food and just go to food and money. And full in the water George belly. That's all I want. I say, well, I no sell out, brother. You will not sell out. Yeah, man, just go to KFC and go to money. And that's all I want. When you come clear up the garbage, brother, off a park playground. And when the sports they keep, and the garbage them still there same way. I mean, don't talk, you know, brother. I beach me again. Someone people come and talk about it yesterday. When the fish that joke busy me now. Me not in a walk on the place. When the sports day gone, and all of the garbage them there same way. And the garbage truck past the playground, you know. Past park, you know. Because you can't see it, you know. And none of them not come over here. Paris County and sell them over here. No man. I bet even tourists gonna when shipper come. But it's by Monday, Tuesday. If shipper come, then go send them, the people over here for yeah man, to clean up the place. And that's all I want. We don't live in a PMS. I say farm out dirty. It's a park playground. Back in the 70s, 80s and 90s, early part of 2000, park never stay so. Them garbage and not garbage upon park playground. Yeah man. Laugh after them KFC. Laugh after them. Just give them KFC. You understand me? That's all they want. Yeah man. Pay a filth and mess. Farm out dirty. Tell you farm out dirty, you know. Yes, my general, farm out dirty. Me want to know what Mr. You what you doing so. What Mr. You what you doing so. Make you not treat him playground so. The first playground of Falmouth in such a disgraceful condition. Disgraceful and full of garbage. Sure. Yes, Iyah. 7 minutes. Yeah, man. And don't talk, hear me? Don't talk. Beach me a go now. Yeah, man. So big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, man. Michael Manley Pitney. Yeah, man. I step out now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.